Hey everyone, welcome back. If you've ever found yourself needing to quickly add today's date or the current time into your Google Sheets, maybe you're tracking progress, logging activities, or just keeping organized, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know the fastest, easiest ways to insert the current date and time, all with just a few simple keyboard shortcuts. Alright, let's jump right in. Open up your Google Sheet and find a cell where you'd like the date or time to go. It can be any blank cell, maybe you're starting a new list, keeping a record of when something happened, or just want a convenient timestamp. The beauty of using keyboard shortcuts is that you don't have to mess around with typing the date yourself or worrying about the format. Google Sheets will handle all of that for you. Now let's start by inserting the current date. Click on your blank cell to select it so Google Sheets knows where to put the information. With the cell active, just press Ctrl and the semicolon key together, that's Ctrl plus on your keyboard. You'll instantly see today's date appear, formatted clearly and neatly. This shortcut is a real time saver, especially if you're keeping records daily like in journals or attendance sheets. And here, why it matters. Typing the date manually each time opens you up to mistakes like typos or using the wrong format, but letting Google Sheets do it for you ensures your data stays clean and consistent. Now, what about if you want to note not just the date, but also the precise time, say, for tracking when an order was placed or when a specific task began? That's just as easy. Again, click into the cell where you want to insert the current time. This time, press Ctrl-Shift and the semicolon key all at once, so that's Ctrl-Shift plus. You'll see the exact current time pop right in. This works great for any situation where timestamps are important, like logging phone calls, meetings, or deliveries. Something you might notice, when you use these shortcuts, Google Sheets enters what's called a static value. What that means is the date or time you enter won't update automatically whenever you reopen the sheet. It stays fixed, just like you type the numbers in yourself. That's usually exactly what you want if you're keeping a record. If you ever need to insert a date or time that automatically updates, there are functions for that too, but for most checklists or logs, using the shortcut is the best, simplest option. One quick tip: sometimes when you press the shortcut, it might not seem to work right away. Take a second to make sure your cell is active and check that you're using the correct shortcut, Ctrl plus for the date and Ctrl plus Shift plus for the time. It's a common mix-up, so don't worry if it takes a try or two. And that's really all there is to it. With these keyboard shortcuts, you can quickly and reliably add the current date and time to any Google Sheet, keeping your records accurate with barely any effort. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions, or maybe if there's another Google Sheets trick you'd like to learn. Be sure to subscribe for more useful tips and step-by-step tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.